Hey everybody, Cool Marine here with my son Diamond. So look, I wanna let you know the status of the fence rail. We're finished. Okay. I went to our local Joann's. I found the Joann's in Douglasville. And I met a great person there. Her name is Glennie. So if you go to the Douglasville Joann's, look up Glennie. She was great. I needed some things. I wanted a low loft batting. She pointed me to where I needed to go. I needed my salty soft fluffy fluff. She showed me where I needed to go, and we got what we needed. So this is the back of the quilt right here. Pull that. So we're going with this because I wanted to masculine it up a little bit. All right. I know my son doesn't want no daisies, so we try to keep the daisies off his quilt. And I went with a low loft batting. 100% cotton, and it's binded with this little, with that right there. Okay, that's it. We're done. It's going off to a new home. Let's turn it around here. It's going to a new home. Just in time for my son's apartment life, and that's it. So that's the quilt, but that's not it. Okay, we're gonna be building him a new one. I got another one coming, and once we build that one, then we can get this one out of its grips, but I doubt it. All right, so I want to say special thanks to Glennie. Thanks, Glennie.
Thanks, Glennie.
And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and remember, it's only fabric, and it's only fair.